Computer specialists, IT professionals, they use all kinds of different acronyms. The list below is just to go over some of them. This is not all of them. So, the OSI model, it's the open source interconnection model. It's a 7 layer model. And what it does is it allows IT to go down within this model to figure out where the problem is. MFA is multi factor authentication. You've probably dealt with this if you ever signed into an online banking account, even though you enter your login and your password, then they'll text you or they'll email you, and then you have to enter another code. So it's just basically saying you agree who you are in multiple ways. A LAN just stands for local area network. It's part of layer one, the physical layer in the OSI model. A VLAN, just virtual local area network, is part of layer two, the data link layer in the OSI model. A MAC address, that's the media access control address, is part of layer two in the data link layer in the OSI model. A VPN is a virtual private network. It's part of layer three, the network layer in the OSI model. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It's part of layer three, the network layer in the OSI model. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It's one of the main internet protocols and is part of layer four, the transport layer in the OSI model. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It's another one of the main internet protocols, and again, it resides on layer four, the transport layer in the OSI model. DNS, it stands for Domain Name Server or Domain Name System. It resolves web searches of names to IP addresses as part of layer seven, the application layer in the OSI model. When you come into a big building, you're going to have an MDF room, so a main distribution frame. This might be where the main internet comes in, and you could have multiple IDFs, so intermediate distribution frames. You're going to have GUIs, so graphical user interface. API just stands for application programming interface. HTML5 stands for hypertext markup language. It's used to structure web pages. It's what's behind every web page to tell it what it's supposed to look like. The ASCII2, the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, it's just a character set in modern computers. So if you hit J, for example, on your computer, that'll equal a certain binary number. Then all the other computers that are using this ASCII2 agree that that is that binary number. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It's just secure web pages. So it's just a secure handshake between your computer and that website that says this website is who it says it is. There's many others. This is just part of them, just to give you an idea.